Hello everybody, welcome back to Fishing with Fernando. It's pretty dark out. It's about 6:10 a.m. I just put the boat in the water. We're getting ready to head out and do some fishing. Hopefully there'll be some sheep's head in. I'm gonna go over by Ponce inlet. I think it's gonna be calm enough. The water here is super high because of Hurricane Milton, and this is a post-Hurricane Milton fishing trip. Today is Sunday. The hurricane came through here on Thursday. It was gone, and by Thursday, by like Friday afternoon. So I surveyed the area yesterday real quick, and it was okay to come, so I came. I didn't know how bad it was. I know they had some really high winds here. So here we go. We're gonna get ready. I'm gonna go ahead and park the truck here, and we're gonna get on it. All right, guys. So we just left the dock. It's still pretty dark, and I'll tell you, it's about 10 to 7 now. Yeah, 10 to 7 a.m. And I thought it'd be a little lighter, but it's so I'm gonna head over to the inlet first, see if I can get a good spot over there. Maybe get on some Margate, some big sheep's head. I know the sheep's head should be biting now, this time of year or so. And then I was just gonna get some live mullet at the bait shop, but they didn't have any, which they never do. So I got some live shrimp, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some mullet. But really, I like to focus a little more on sheep's head, margates, mangrove snappers, and red drums. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. Right, the sun's rising, and of course rises from the east. So to our right, where you see that bit of light, that's east. That's where the ocean is. We're actually in the Halifax River right now. But real nice morning. I should be to the inlet in about 10 minutes. I may stop if I see some bait. I'll probably just go ahead and stop. But what I'm really trying to do is get my spot by the inlet, because a lot of boats get there, and I know from fishing there for many years, I kind of have my little spots like everybody else does, that kind of your favorites. But I'm gonna have to watch, because there is a lot of debris in the water. So I'm keeping my eyes open even in the dark here. See a lot of debris, but we'll be all right. Usually they're right in this corner here. I'm surprised that I didn't get anything, because that was a decent throw. If they were there, hooked up, I would have got them. So I don't want to spend too much time here. See if I get something. See if I see something. Try throwing over there. I've thrown here blindly many times and caught on the net. Usually they're right there in that corner. Probably one more throw. Then I'll come back later. Always later. One more throw. Right here. There's a bunch right there. Down the beach a little bit. If I get anything here. I think I seen a school right here. I think I seen something. Yeah, let's try one more time. Yeah, there we go. Try again later. I'm gonna go by the inlet. Guys, I've been here about 40 minutes and I've had one bite, and I'm using live shrimp on a pole here on my right, and then I've got some shrimp on here and some sand fleas. So I think I'm going to head over to the Coast Guard station and try fishing over there. I did see some action this morning, so I just want to try here first. So we're going to get ready to move in a few. Alright, so we just left the inlet. We're headed in, and you can see how rough it is. It's rough at the inlet too. Like I said, I'm going to try the Coast Guard station and see what happens. So, got to get on some fish. Might be able to get some more or two while I'm there this time. Only one boat showed up at the inlet Sunday morning. I'm really surprised. Usually that place is packed with boats, but I think because post Hurricane Milton, a lot of people were staying in. They They got a lot of cleaning up to do, a lot of stuff to do. I spent Friday, and I started Friday morning in the rain, cleaning debris around my property. I was able to get it all done by yesterday. I mean, not all of it, but 90% of it. There's always something to do. So I come out fishing. I figure let me knock this out. So let's see what we get over at the Coast Guard station. That pole there with the green marker forward, there's a speed limit, is slow. So let me see, the tire I believe is just about out. It's going to be turning, so I'm going to get on the other side of this pole. And then if I see any mullet swim by, I'll go ahead and catch them. Right now I just want to get a fish in the boat. I've got some live shrimp, and everybody knows that red drum and everything loves fresh live shrimp. So let's get on the other side of this pole here. See what's cooking. Good looking. Alright guys, so on here I'm just using about a 5/0 hook, circular hook. I'm just gonna go ahead and hook a shrimp right through here, kind of in the inside, kind of hide the hook a little bit. And then right here we're gonna toss it out. See here, the Coast Guard is getting ready. Looks like they're getting that boat ready to take it out. Alright guys, I've been here about 40 minutes now, not even a bite. I'm pulling up the lines, the bait is still on there, so I'm going to try here a little bit more, and then I think I'm going to head back to the inlet, try there one more time, and if nothing's there, then I'm going to head back towards the bridges. So I want to make a good video, at least put some fish on it, you know, that's what it's about. But you know, the stark truth of it is that a lot of times you go out, you don't catch anything. I definitely catch more than I don't. So most of the time when I go out, I do get a few fish. It's rare that I get skunked, but you know, I've gotten skunked. So you know, let's keep trying here. It's a nice day. I did notice a lot of trash. Just had a huge pallet come up. I had to actually grab one of my fishing poles and push it out of the way. So we'll see what happens. Got some live shrimp here. If I don't catch something here, I'm gonna go ahead and cruise along the beach. I'll bring you along. See, we get some mullet. We head back to the inlet. Hey, look, man, this is fishing, not catching. That's why they call it fishing. So we're gonna fish on. I can feel my line here. It's rubbing against some debris down there. But I don't know if a lot of you guys don't know this or not, but there's a deep hole right here. And you catch everything here, actually. You even get a lot of flounder here in the fall. I just don't want to get caught up again because I just actually retied. So we'll see. Alright guys, no action here. Been here 45 minutes or so. I think it's time like I said, I'm gonna go back to the inlet. I'm gonna go along the shore there, see if there's any mullet, but there's just so much junk in the water right now from the hurricane. And it's really, the water's really like brackish. Just really, I can see in my live well that it's not clear at all. Usually it's clear. So there's a lot of stuff that's been stirred up. But the fish still should be biting. But I'll reel this one in and we'll go ahead and take off. Away. I thought you guys might want to get a kick of this. What I caught in my net. A sheep's head. One sheep's head. It's not a keeper. If I can get him out. Alright, let me see. There he is. Got this guy in my cast net. So now that I'm not catching any mullet, guess what? I'm determined to catch them. So I'm going to park here, try walking along and getting them. So I see some in here. Seems every time the boat gets close, they shoo away. Guys, I'm back at the inlet. No snook. I mean, no mullet. I'm in a hall of shame for the mullet today. I couldn't catch a mullet. So I'm gonna go over here and try my luck over here again. Guys, I got my first fish on here. Something small. Oh, Margate. Looks like I hit the Margate spot again. I knew they'd be in this corner here. These are really good eating right here. It's very small right now. They make some nice fillets though. There he is. Here's a nicer one here. Let's see. I'm gonna keep him. Getting bigger. We'll see. Just using a little hook, 2-ounce sinker, small hook, sheep's head, very strong hook though. Another Margate. Nice one. size limit on these, and I happen to really like them, so I keep them. This one's probably about 8 inches, 9 inches, and they're pretty fat. Got some nice meat on them. Got another fish on. Margate here. Small one. Throw him back. All right, guys. I got mullet. A couple on the floor. There's the mullet. Big sucker. Alright guys, I got a Margate on here. I actually put that mullet on that other phone behind me. There. So I'll show you. Got the live mullet right on that rod. All I did was hook it with a circular hook about a size 5. You see it? That mullet's working. See that mullet's moving? Size 5. And I dropped it to the bottom, and then I reeled it up about 5 feet. Any tarpon that are swimming by, because they are still chasing bait out here. We'll see. I got a nice little fish on here. Yeah. Little fish. It's Margate here. Oh. Caught quite a few Margates already. Looks like I'll be filleting some fish tonight. These are really good eating. The meat's very firm, it's very light in color. They're absolutely delicious. Another Margate. See if that's all I'm catching here. Oh no. What is it? It's a little mini sea bass. It's a black sea bass right there, guys. Little mini one. Very small. Alright guys, I just had a big hit. That's what's left of it. I'm going to go ahead and put another one on. Hook it by the tail this time. And see what happens. Nice Margate. I'll catch it to the Margates. I'll tell you, that pole behind me, when I had the mullet on, it took off. I missed a shot. I didn't have the camera on. He took off, but when I went to set the hook, He had already bit. All he left on was the head. That's what's on the menu. Margate. Oh, another Margot. So I've caught about 10 Margos already. Keeping 8. So I'm gonna throw him back. Fish on here, man. Oh shit, he got off. Did you see that? He's big, man. Who else gonna bring bear on this? It's one of those days, man. That was a big fish. That was a big fish on it. Get a trip. And he got me the rocks. Smart fish. He went right for the rocks. That was it. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to head out. It's about noon. I've been out here since about 6:30. Slowed down quite a bit. It is what it is. But I'm going to try to get out here again tomorrow, just a little later, and see if I get on those big mullets. And because there's plenty of tarpon out here, there's plenty of fish. Couldn't hook any. I think I hooked one, and that's the one that just left the head of the mullet on. So it slowed down quite a bit, but I do have a live well full of Margets. Probably nice ones, probably 8 nice ones, which I enjoy. You know, I'm gonna fillet those and eat them up. So I'm gonna head out because I may come back tomorrow. I'm thinking about it. Just a matter of catching a mullet, and the bait shops don't have any mullets, so it's not like you can buy it. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and if you like what you see, you know what to do, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye bye.